Yeah, it's opening day. There's no relief in sight. Get Johnny on the phone. What he's telling ain't right. Well, you can blame Tito, but that's just a disguise.
What a circus.
You're the new Three Stooges, man, in Red Sox fans' eyes. Fried chicken and beer. Fried chicken and beer. Fried. Fried chicken and beer. You see, this is Boston, man, and the past is the past. And we don't like losing much, especially to the Yanks. You see, Beckett's the problem, and he must go. Ship him off with Lackey to Toronto.
Don't forget to pack an extra
Fried
sweater.
chicken and beer. Fried chicken and beer. The fans are like junkies, Latino's amused, but your product is stepped on, now the shareholders lose.
What's this crap?
It's just a transaction, numbers on a page. This is Red Sox Nation, Johnny, and the fans are enraged. Fried chicken and beer. Fried chicken and beer. Yeah, man.
How much for a beer? Get out of here! No way!
Yeah, it's opening day. There's no relief in sight. Get Johnny on the phone. What his son ain't right. You can blame Tito, but that's just a disguise.
What a circus.
You're the new Three Stooges, man, in the Red Sox fans' eyes. Fried chicken and beer. Fried. Fried chicken and beer. Man, you better start listening to the bell